Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR furniture dollies. Okay, so that is a 2-pack. It does come with instructions. It says that the maximum load is 551 pounds. One thing I could definitely say I appreciate about it is that it is already fully assembled. I don't have to put the wheels on or anything. Got nice rubber casters on there, and those are right about 3 inches. They do fully swivel. The 2 in the back do not have locks. The 2 on the front do have locks. Oh, that's interesting. So it actually locks it from swiveling as well as rolling. Cool. And this is another thing I appreciate about it. It actually has a handle on there so we can carry the thing around without trying to grip it. If you've got to carry that thing a long distance, that can make a big difference. You do have a textured surface on here, and that is a fairly rough feeling texture. So that's excellent, so you don't have to worry about anything sliding around. It's not rubbery, it is more, it feels kind of like a sandpaper. Like it is super textury. And down the bottom we got a nice flat, soft surface. So the material looks like plywood, and that is the same consistency all the way around. Definitely rolls very smoothly on this. And those do lock fairly well. I also appreciate that I can actually clip these with my hands. Some of them are so tight that even stomping on it can be a chore. Cool. Yeah, that's just about the perfect size for that. Still rolls smooth, even with a lot of weight on it. And these things are pretty heavy. Now it's going to be much easier than lugging these guys around. Cool. So overall, those are some very handy dollies.